VHS.
Hello again to all my friends. I'm glad you came to play. Our fun and learning never ends. Here's what we did today. Oh, we had a super-duper time today when we got a visit from Clarence the Goose and from our good friend Mother Goose. Mother Goose was taking her book of rhymes to the library for children to borrow. You can borrow books if you put your name on a library card, just as Sean did. We tried to bring Clarence back by telling lots of Mother Goose rhymes, like to market, and Humpty Dumpty. We found fun games in Mother Goose's book, like London Bridge and Ring Around the Rosie. And I got to use my imagination to make believe that I was Wee Willie Winkie. We had such a good time, it's no wonder that Clarence came back to Mother Goose. And you can have fun like that too, with Mother Goose's book or lots of other books from the library. You're going to love the library, and I love you.
Barney is a dinosaur from our imagination. When he started what we call a dinosaur the station. Screens are taking knowledge of the lots of places. So they need to name places. Dinosaurs are to rate it 10. ABCs are 1 to 3s and how to be a friend. Darren comes to play with us whenever we may meet him. Darren can give an interview this with him.
Barney and Friends is funded in part by Kimberly Clark, makers of Huggies diapers, baby wipes, and training pants, proud to support the development of happy babies, and the Corporation for Public Broadcasting, and the annual financial support from viewers like you.
Thank you.
You know how much fun it is to see your favorite dinosaur. Now imagine how much fun it is to see your favorite dinosaur in his very own stage show.
Is everyone ready to have a stupendous time?
Get ready for Barney's big surprise, a live video recording of his first ever national stage show tour. Join Barney, Baby Bop, and a host of old and new friends as they come together to celebrate oops, it's a surprise.
Ooh, I want to tell.
There's music, laughter, and fun galore as Barney brings all his very special friends into your very own home. You'll see Mother Goose, Professor Tinkerput, and many, many more. So get ready to clap your hands because this is one super-duper surprise you'll never forget.
With a kid this big, I think I need everyone's help.
Don't miss Barney's big surprise. Now available on home video from Lyric Studios.
The Wild West. It bred a special kind of man. From that land came a hero never seen before. Join Wishbone, a little dog with a big imagination, as he proves some of the best cowboys have more than 2 legs and can carry a pretty good too. But heroes weren't just in the Wild West.
Wish we could do something. Maybe we need to do a little investigating of our own.
Join Wishbone for
Action! Adventure!
I don't have a gun.
Food! More food!
in his first feature-length presentation.
Wishbone Star Days West, now available on home video only from Lyric Studios.
Not so far away, there's a wonderful wetland where nature comes alive like never before.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy!
It's a magical place full of laughs, songs, and lots of friends.
I am Hegdish, explorer extraordinaire.
Welcome to Groundling Marsh, home to some of Mother Nature's most delightfully unusual characters. Join Galileo and Maggie, Echo and Crystal, Mudslinger and Hegdish,
Did somebody mention my name?
and Stax as they share an adventure after adventure and learn many valuable lessons.
How do you feel about sharing Marigold Pop with Maggie?
Get ready for plenty of laughs and a whole lot of fun when you come on down to Groundling Marsh, living proof that Mother Nature has a sense of humor. Don't miss Groundling Marsh, now on public television.
Have you ever seen anything like that in your life?
Check your local listings or call your public television station for the viewing time in your area and watch for Groundling Marsh on home video from Lyric Studios.
From Lyric Studios to Director Barney with Show with Jeff comes the Dolly Jolly performer. The whole family will love. For 12 years, he's entertained his families everywhere. He's won many awards, including Burns Choice and the Cable Act. And you can bring no more 2 great videos. Experience all the songs, the smiles, and a lot more fun. Then you're at it, Joe Scrubs. Live from Teen Joe TV, now available on video. Lyric Studios. Look for other Josephs and CDs at only from their stores too.
Not too far away, there's a place called Rhineland, home to some pretty interesting characters.
I'm little Bo Peep and I've lost my sheep and I don't know where to find them.
It's a place where Mother Goose rules the roost and classic fairy tales come to life like never before.
Hi, Humpty. Long time no see.
So come along as we travel to Rhineland in a magical musical video adventure from show to ball.
Shelly Balls, Mother Goose, Rock and
When
Run.
Mother Goose winds up missing,
You've got to save me!
it's up to little Bo Peep and friends to find her before all the stories in Rhineland disappear.
It's a very woolly emergency.
Join in on the search with Little Miss Muffet,
Can I flip your tuffet?
Jack and Jill,
Well, unfortunately, there are a couple of klutzes.
and many, many more. Don't miss all your favorite stars, starring as all your favorite fairy tale friends. Get ready for music and mayhem, brought to you by the one and only Shelley Duvall.
Great!
Don't miss Shelley Duvall's Mother Goose Rock and Rhyme, now available on home video from Lyric Studios.
Also available from Barney home video.
Is everyone having a good time?
Listens from Barney Live in New York City.
Horse and a flea and 3 blind mice sat on a curbstone covered with ice. The horse he slipped and fell on the flea. Whoop, said the flea, there's a horse on me.
The nest on the branch and the branch on the tree and the tree in the hole and the hole in the ground and the green grass grows all around and the green grass grows all around. Oh, you horse.
Join Barney, Baby Bop, BJ, and all of their friends when they
takes center stage in a special adventure filled with all your favorite songs and games. We meet a new friend, the Winkster, who loves to laugh and play jokes. And everyone is sure to have a great time when the Imagination Circus comes to town, filled with clowns, animals, and even a few special surprises. Come along and join the fun in Barney Live in New York City.
Now we're gonna hurry up, only from Lyric Studios. Lyric Studios.